Hi, here I have this folding chair by Iclimb Outdoors. Now, the chair fabric itself is made out of a pretty durable material. It is thick. I'm holding it up against the light, and only a little bit is shining through with just this, of course, clear netting. And on the insides here, you have like this pocket that you can hold your phone in. It's big enough to hold your phone. And then you also have these slips here that where the poles will slide into and hold. Plus this just webbed loop right here for hanging. And you'll find that all on all four corners of the chair. Now onto the main part itself. It's easily compact. I'm holding it together and it's already ready to just pop open and move away. And as you can kind of see, it's already ready to pop and go into place, which is nice. Here you go. You just fit it into the holes right here. It's kind of like it's already kind of like it's guiding you, you know? You don't really need to think too much or use a manual to figure it out. You can adjust the length of it by just going back and forth. And when you need to take it apart, you do just pull it off and it will just kind of pop out of its socket here. And yeah, here I'm going to try to set that on the table. And when you're ready to put it on, you just slip the top part on, just like that. You'll have to slightly pull at it just for that tension, you know? And yeah. Oof. You do, like I said, you do have to pull at it slightly, but it's nothing too crazy. You just have to line it in. It's a little difficult since I'm on this table trying to show you. But just like that, you know? And then the same goes for that last one, but you'll get the point, you know? And then it just holds itself pretty well. The bottom pieces here have some slight grooves here for nice traction, but nothing too crazy, and it's rubber. And I'm not sensing anything sharp, so it should not scrape and scratch anything that you place it on top of. And then it also comes with these plastic stands too. Alrighty, this was given to us as a sample. Bye.